Save her! For good this time!
That piece of trash is still here? Disgusting.
I'm never going to let you down again, Eri. I am going to be your hero! Eri! She needed me, and I let her slip away. But that won't happen again. This time, I'll hold on.
Give her back!
I won't let go. No one will ever hurt her again. I will save people.
Hand her over.
Okay, Eri. Hold on. One for all. Full counting. 100%!
She is mine! A naive little boy like you doesn't know how to use her! Why doesn't anybody see the big picture? I won't let you stand in my way!
If I can't save Eri, one small child who's relying on me to help her, then how can I call myself a hero who saves everybody? That's who I'm gonna be!